mornings. Alright, so I'm getting ready to cook. And I got a couple of outfits from Venus. Two cute dresses. Not even just these two dresses. I know I haven't been buying clothes, and I was not even going to look through the catalog when it came. But I saw these two dresses that I thought were too cute. So I got them, but I'll show those to you later. Right now, I am about to get cooking my dinner. And I'm going to make some brownies from scratch. My first time making brownies from scratch. That on the recipe that I got from Tasty. So I tried Tasty's fluffiest pancake. I think it's called World's Fluffiest Pancakes. World's Fluffiest Buttermilk Pancakes. I tried those and I made them. Dude, I'm telling you, those are the best pancakes I've ever had in my life. So when I make pancakes now, I take the time to make that recipe. It's called the Fluffiest Buttermilk Pancakes. It's a Tasty's. Why am I doing some hand? It's a Tasty's recipe. But so now they had these best homemade brownies. So I got the ingredients for that. I don't think I did change a little bit because guys, I'm trying to eat a little bit healthier. I'm going to use the Kodiak Cakes protein packed all-purpose baking. Basically, it's flour. They say all-purpose baking mix, but it's basically this is flour. It's 100% whole grain. So hopefully, with the pancake mix, you don't taste the difference between this pancake mix and like the regular Aunt Jemima's or whatever other kind of instant pancake mix. It tastes relatively the same. So I'm expecting the same thing with this. So hopefully this will work well with my brownies because this is what I'm using instead of regular white flour. But other than that. Everything else I got kind of by the book, by the instructions. And then this espresso powder, I've never even heard of it. I've never used espresso powder before, but the recipe calls for espresso powder. Apparently a lot of baking recipes call for some kind of espresso powder. So I'm going to be putting some espresso powder in these brownies. But anyway, I'm not cooking the brownies at the moment. I have to make something else, which is not a recipe from anything. It's my own recipe. It's just me cooking. So I'm going to make some greens, and I'm going to make Cornish hens, and I am going to make, that one's not thawed out. Let me take the thawed ones out of the refrigerator. Cornish hens with some candy yams, but I'm not going to make them the way I normally make them. I'm going to bake them in the oven. And then I'm going to make some macaroni and cheese. Because I just really wanted to have some yams and some mac and cheese and some greens and some hens. And I haven't made these hens. It's been years since I made Cornish hens. But this is one of the first things that I taught myself how to make. Or maybe I didn't teach myself. My mom used to make them all the time. But I make them different from the way my mom used to make them. But I haven't made these in a long time, so we all got our own hens, but of course, half my family is missing. My husband is supposed to be coming back today, so I laid out an extra hen to cook for him, too. But his isn't thawed out, so I may have to just go back and cook his hen later. But I laid ours out yesterday, so because I knew he didn't tell me he was coming back until... He mentioned it yesterday, but it wasn't set in stone. Then today he texted me saying, yeah, he wants to come home today. So we'll see. I told him that just let me know. So, and then Lexi is going to stay down there. So I am leaving her hen in the freezer. She's about to miss out on these yummy brownies. But anyway, so I'm going to get to cooking this stuff. toasting. Still kind of hot, y'all, but man, they are definitely fudgety moist. Like, oh yeah, look at all that. Look at that. That's after 45 minutes of baking. Let's see if you can see that in this nighttime lighting. I feel like they need to cool a little bit more. They're not too hot, but oh yeah. Look at those dense, moist and fudgety. All right, before we go, gotta do taste test. Take a little piece of that one. Oh, it's super. Look at that. It's super moist. Alright, let's give these bad boys a try. Mmm. Cold glass of milk. Alright guys, that's a win right there. That's a win. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you guys are staying safe, protecting yourselves. Stay blessed, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notifications. Bye. Aaron doesn't want to be on camera, so I'm not gonna put him on camera. But you say hi, Aaron. Say hi. Okay. There. Alright, guys. This is what you do when you're quarantined. You cook and you eat. And you watch movies or read books. So, with that being said,